Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the announced notifications on your Apple Watch. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open your Apple Watch, then go to the settings menu, and in the settings menu just tap on the notifications option. And here in the notifications center, if you scroll down to the bottom of the screen, you will find the announced notifications option, which means that when you can have Siri read out notifications when supported. Headphones are connected. Siri will avoid interrupting you and will listen after reading notifications, so you can respond or take action without saying, "Hey Siri." So that's pretty much it. Okay, Siri just turned on. You just have to tap on this one and you can turn it on by tapping on this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.